Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a crew on the CSR2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CSR2 game on your device and first complete the basic levels and then log into your account if you already have a previous saved game. Now, once you complete enough missions, you will unlock the Join Crew menu. In order to access this, tap on the menu icon at the left side, which looks like a right arrow key. This will now open up the menu page, from which tap on the chat option at the left side, and now underneath crew chat you will see the join button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be taken into the crew selection page. Just look at the stats and decide which crew you want to join, and once you have made up your mind, you can simply click on the join button in order to join any crew. Once you tap on the join button, you will be welcomed into the crew, and now you will be able to join crew races and also race online with other players. You will also gain access to various other game features such as perks and wildcards, and you can also join crew championships. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a crew within the CSR2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.